Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate resource for all things vitamins and supplements. Today, we'll be discussing the incredible benefits of Vitamin C Serum. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for the latest skincare tips and tricks. Let's get started. Are you tired of searching for the perfect skincare product that fights aging, brightens your complexion, and improves overall skin health? Look no further. In this video, we'll reveal the science behind Vitamin C Serum and why it's a must-have addition to your skincare regimen. So, stay tuned and let's dive in. What is Vitamin C Serum? Vitamin C Serum is a powerful antioxidant that helps combat free radicals, boosts collagen production, and brightens the skin. It has become a popular skincare product due to its numerous benefits and effectiveness. Multiple studies have shown that Vitamin C Serum not only improves skin texture and tone but also helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. But don't just take our word for it. We'll be sharing some exclusive doctoral insights later in the video. Pros. Here are some incredible benefits of Vitamin C Serum. 1. Fights free radicals. Vitamin C Serum protects your skin from harmful free radicals and environmental damage. 2. Boosts collagen production. This serum promotes collagen synthesis, improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 3. Brightens skin. Vitamin C Serum evens out skin tone and reduces hyperpigmentation, giving you a radiant complexion. Cons. While Vitamin C Serum offers many benefits, there are a few cons to consider. 1. Sensitivity. Some people may experience skin irritation or redness when using a Vitamin C Serum. Always do a patch test before applying it to your entire face. 2. Oxidation. Vitamin C can oxidize over time, losing its effectiveness. Make sure to store your serum in a cool, dark place and replace it every few months. Now that you know the ins and outs of Vitamin C Serum, it's time to take action. Give your skin the boost it needs by incorporating Vitamin C Serum into your daily routine. Here is an example Vitamin C Serum found at iHerb website. It is rated number 1 in anti-aging and firming, number 1 in Vitamin C, beauty, number 1 in serums, number 1 in treatments and serums, number 1 in Vitamin C Serums. I have conveniently added a link to the Vitamin C Serum in the description section of this video. Don't forget to share your results with us in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more skincare tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep glowing.